You guys have been doing some research as to how key and how stomach-churning this final hour of trade has been. What have you found?
This really is the most important hour of the day lately.
Yeah, we knew that.
Over the last 10 days.
Repeat that on quote.
Most important hour of the day. Over the last 10 trading days, we've seen an average move of 1.1% in the S&P 500. We've only seen that 5 other times going back to the early 80s. Last 15 minutes of trading, average move of 0.8%. The only times we saw moves higher than that were in 2008 and after the 87 crash. So this type of volatility we're seeing is unprecedented, hence the 50 plus 50 VIX for the second day in a row we're seeing.
Is there anything to take away from that in terms of, does it play into some of those fear versus gauges that we've been seeing as to trying to call the market bottom?
So I think what all of these indicators are indicative of fear in the market. And when you have fear in the market, you see this uncertainty. As that fear can turn to facts, the market can stabilize and get on a better footing. But I think right now, we're investors and consumers, and generally everyone's right now is in the dark on things. And until we start to see a better baseline, people are assuming at least some chance of the worst.
Do you analyze anything directionally about whether it's a rally into the close or a sell-off to the lows into the close? I mean, I know you've done so much.
Yeah, so
work.
I mean, there's nothing. The direction of the last 15 minutes doesn't necessarily have a big impact on the next day. And what the reason is because in the hours between the bells, you're going to see a lot of news, good or bad, and it changes depending on the events.